Hi everyone, it's me, Purnima. We are watching Miraculous Health Within. Today, we are going to see about cure for all sort of eye problems by using acupressure points, seed therapy, natural remedy, and some tips. Nowadays, in our day-to-day lifestyle, most of us are in the situation of wearing specs as a normal thing. But how many of us got rid of wearing the specs or your vision got improved by using the spectacles? Prolonged usage of the specs are even making us to go for high specification and our eyes are getting even diminished day by day with the spectacles. Even I too had this issue of short sight. And before knowing about this acupuncture, I went to eye checkup and initially my eye power was minus zero point 0.5 and they have asked me to wear specs for sure. So I started wearing it and in a long run I felt like my vision is even getting worse and it was increasing to minus 1, minus 2 and finally reached minus 2.75. I was worried about this. Then I came to know about acupuncture and have understood the concept that our body has its own healing potential. So I realized that by wearing the spectacles, I'm not allowing my eyes to do its own healing. After knowing this, even though I was not able to see very clearly, without a second thought, I slowly started to avoid using the spectacles. And in a long run, I'm able to manage even without using the specs. So it's been 4 years I stopped wearing eyeglasses. Recently, I had an eye checkup and they said my power is minus 2.25. But initially it was minus 2.75. But this result has came without using any acupressure point or medicine or anything else. But I stopped wearing the eyeglasses and I was having a proper sleep time and I gave my eyes enough rest. In acupuncture, if we have a problem in our eyes, we won't see the eyes. Instead, we'll figure out what the root cause is. So, the internal organ for our eye is liver. If anyone is not having a proper sleep during the time of 11 p.m. to 3 a.m., for sure they will get a problem with their liver and it reflects in our eyes. This even leads to a problem in bile secretion for digestion and so on. So it is always recommended and must to have a deep sleep during the time of 11 p.m. to 3 a.m. As we already have seen about the organ clock theory of acupuncture in our previous video, Cure for Insomnia, you can check it out if you are unable to sleep. I'm linking that video in the description below. Also, our lifestyle is one of the major factor as well, which includes looking at the smartphone long time without a gap, watching the TV for long hours, looking at the smartphone or laptop in the dark area for a long time, and so on. Even the food habit, what we take and how we eat, all matters. Let's see the acupressure point for eye disorder. This point is ST1. It is located directly below the pupil of the eye, between the eyeball in the bone, which you could see in the image. Apply a gentle pressure in this point below both of your eyes using the forefinger for 5 to 10 minutes twice a day. That's it. Let's see what seed therapy is. It is one of the simplest and most effective way to get treated by ourselves in home by using the seeds like pepper, mustard, cumin, etc., which are readily available in our home itself. According to Sujok acupuncture, our thumb has all the parts of our face. You could see in this video, you could see the eyes are drawn in the thumb finger. These are the points you're gonna use. Take 2 pepper seeds and paste it using the surgical tape in these 2 points where the eyes are drawn in the thumb finger. You could get surgical tape from the medical shop. Paste like I have shown in this video. Let's see how long it has to be pasted. You have to keep this for 4 hours in the thumb finger. Make sure that your thumb is not exposed to water for these 4 hours. Otherwise, it won't be effective. If you are pasting for the children below 14 years, just paste and keep this only for 2 hours. That is more than enough for them. And ensure that their thumb finger is not exposed to water. If you feel like your body is already so heat, then you could also paste green gram or fenugreek seeds instead of pepper seeds. Or else you could use all of these 3 seeds in alternative days. Let's see how many days we have to use this. It truly depends on one's body condition and the severity of the problem. If your problem has been for years, then it's recommended to go paste it for 48 days consistently every single day. Then check your vision. If it is cured, then just leave it. If not, then give it a gap for a week or a couple of weeks. Then start over again. For sure, you will see the best result with seed therapy. I'm waiting for your success stories, guys. After getting cured by seed therapy, come back to this video and comment down below your results. I'm so excited and happy to see all your results. Even I too have used the pepper seeds for my vision problem. I was able to see that my vision was getting improvised, but I only did it for a week, then I forgot it totally. Since I'm having this problem for years, the result was not permanent. So for permanent result, do it consistently for 48 days. Even I'm going to do it for myself for 48 days and I will update you guys. Let's see the natural remedy. There is a herb called Netra. It cures almost 96 kinds of eye problems and it will give the best results for eye diseases. Even Madras eye can be cured by using this herb. You could even get this Netra eye drops in any of the Siddha or Ayurveda shop or even online. Just put 3 drops of this Netra eye drops in your eyes twice a day, once in the morning and in the night. If you're not able to put it in the morning, then it's fine to go with night alone. So you're going to bed. I'm planning to upload the eye affirmations. I hope you all aware of how powerful affirmations are. If not, then check this video, what is affirmation. I'm linking this in the description below. Bottom line, it's not mandatory to all these things. You could use any one thing. For example, if you are pasting the seed, then do that alone. Because initially you'll be so curious and excited doing everything. But in a long run, you will be overwhelmed and not able to follow any of these. So I recommend you all to do one thing properly, consistently. Also, I encourage you to listen to the eye affirmations in addition to any of these above. It will even gives you good results. Let's see some of the tips for eye care. I always urge each and everyone to have deep sleep during the time of 11 p.m. to 3 a.m. Add spinach at least once in a week in your food. Do blink your eyes often. That is really very important to each of you. So far, we have seen the acupressure point, seed therapy, natural remedy, and some of the tips for the eye problems. If you find this video useful to someone, then please do share it with them. I hope you all really loved this video. Then give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and I'm so grateful to each and everyone for subscribing to my channel every day. Appreciate you pressing the bell icon to get the latest update from me. Thank you.